What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about Afi. Okay, guys. So, as you might be aware, if you're in this project, after 60 days, everybody stop earning the rewards. Okay, so if you reach the day 60, okay, so if you are from in the project from the beginning, okay, after 60 days, everybody stop earning the rewards because the contract was designed that way. So essentially, once your stake hits 60 days, you should unstake and restake if you want to earn more rewards. Otherwise, your rewards will stop. Okay, but as you might know, the staking period was extended to 90 days, and the contract wasn't designed to pay you up to 90 days. It was only designed to pay you up to 60 days. That's why after 60 days, you will stop earning your rewards. But today, they made an announcement on the TG saying that, now we have to migrate, okay, we have to merge into the new contract in order to continue earning our rewards. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step. So we got three steps, and then we're going to go to this website. This is the site you will have to update your mind. Okay, so we're going to go for the step number 1, which is clicking on this link. Okay, you're going to go over here and paste it right there. Okay, and it will take us to this page, right? So click on the link and then go to the contract section and then go to write as proxy and connect your wallet. Go to function 8 on the contract, click that and then write. Okay, cool. Seems to be easy. Okay, so now we're gonna come over here, right? So we're gonna go to contract and then we're gonna go to write as proxy. We're gonna connect our Web3. Boom, right there. MetaMask pops up. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna connect. Okay, we're gonna connect again. Yes, we confirm that. And then we're gonna go to the option 8, which is the merge user. Okay, so we're gonna write. We're gonna pay MetaMask gas fee. Okay, so make sure that there is nothing here. Okay, nothing to pay apart from the gas fee. Okay, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna confirm on the ledger. Always play safe, guys. Okay, so now we're just waiting for the transaction to go through. And essentially, that's that. Not too complicated, okay? Anyone can do this, right? So we're just waiting for the transaction. And once that's done, you go through. There you go. Boom. Okay, so what's the next procedure? So, step. Now everything should be visible on the website. We will be having a temporary site where this process will take place and we'll be updating our normal. Okay, this site, it's this one right here. So we have to go to this one. This is the site we will use until we have updated our main site. This only implies for BUSD contract users. Okay, so we're going to use this website. Okay, let's see what's up. Okay, we're going to connect our MetaMask. Okay, because this is a new website, we got to connect. And there we go. We can see my stake. I don't have any dividends. So let me just hit a quick refresh. So reload the page. And voila, as you can see right there, I've got my rewards right there. So let's go ahead and claim these rewards. Let's get that paper. So we're going to click yes. We're going to pay MetaMask gas fee on the ledger. And the funds, oh, this is BUSD. I don't have BUSD right here. I have to add it. Okay, and yeah, that's that. So essentially, that's all we have to do. And down here, we can see our stakes. Okay, cool. So the procedure, it's very simple. Okay, guys. So yes, that's just a quick update about Afi. Okay, so stay tuned in for more updates. Peace.